Hey guys, Reese back with another video. Today we have a special guest who brought her RV over for us to work on. Miss Lynn with Stay Lit. She's a popular YouTuber. She was having issues with her Scamp RV refrigerator. She first called Camping World and they couldn't get her in, so she called us and we got her in immediately so we could take a look at the issue. So what we have is a Dometic absorption refrigerator that works on 12 volt, 120, and propane. So the issue we're having is the propane side is not working. The interface on the front of the refrigerator is not sending signal back to the control module in the rear to make it work on propane. So we spoke to Dometic. We told them what was going on. We did some more checks, and the good thing is that they elected to send us a new refrigerator. So we're going to get that refrigerator in and get it installed. So Miss Lynn is very happy for her fridge to finally be installed.
I'm so excited. I'm so ready for my new refrigerator.
So here's the old refrigerator. We finally got it out. It took a little bit longer than we thought to get it out. Sometimes I feel like they build the refrigerators, the RVs around the refrigerators. That's how hard it is to get these things out sometimes. But we got it out. We wanted to make sure we didn't damage the trailer getting it out. So here's the new refrigerator. So there, we made sure that our 12 volt propane and 120 connections are made. Everything's on. The control board in front is operating and everything's working the way it's supposed to be. So we're going to wait 12 hours before we run it because we tilted it quite a bit, and we want to make sure the ammonium settles before we turn it on for good. So we're all done with the fridge. We're completing a few other repairs under warranty for Miss Lynn. But if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. My name is Reese, and thanks for watching.